How to use Steam game keys. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to use Steam game keys to claim games on Steam. Let's just get started. First thing first, you want to go ahead and open up Steam. I already have Steam open here, and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, right from your home screen, you don't have to do anything. At the bottom left corner, you'll find Add a Game. You just need to tap on it, and from here, you can activate a product on Steam. Click on it. What it does is it's going to bring out this little pop-up where you're able to enter a product code. By entering your code, you'll be registering your product with Steam and adding it to your library. And you can also enter a product code distributed with a retail CD or DVD on other Steam products. Here's the example code, how it's going to look. So enter a code on this field. And once you've done that, click on confirm and you can easily add a game to Steam. And from here, you can claim it on your library. Tap on confirm and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one.